So today we're going to be making these bracelets that have got different patterns. Look, it's this pattern. This is the normal way, but then you've got this way and it's a bit thicker and it looks fish tapered and it's quite square. You've got this type, quite different. We've got a long one, necklace I think. Got different colour ones. So what we need is S-clips, and then you need loom bands. So we're going to choose what colour we want. So I think I'm gonna go for a white, I think. I don't know. White. Okay. So, first, cross. Then, one on. And another one on. So you have three. Pull up. Get the bottom one, pull it up. Okay, so now, second one. Put that three. One up. One up. So there's two. And an extra one. Pull up. Pull up. And then it looks like a bit of a mess. But just carry on those steps. So I'm halfway through and it looks a bit funny. So just keep pulling it every now and then. There we go. So now I'm just going to carry. So I have finished. So it's got two left on it this time. Fold it over. I don't know if you saw that. Stretch it out to one finger. It'll be hard to get the S-clip on this time. But it'll work. So hook that on. Pull it off. There we go. Don't pull the S-clip off though. So on the other side, you need to grab 4 strings. There we go. Get the other side. Flip it up. And there is your double patterned bracelet. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.